Oh, this is Dan from Vagabond Buddha.
Channel from Home Adventure.
I just turned the recorder on.
I see.
Yeah, and we're at the Maze Bar in Dalat. Yeah, and it's Saturday night. We're taking you on the walking tour.
Check that.
So today we were at Crazy House, which is a Gaudi inspired guest house, and this is a bar that I guess was inspired by that guest house. And so we're checking it out. It's a maze, they call it. Man, it's short in here. There's an interactive Google map of this Nightlife walking tour. Just click the link below this video. You know, why bother doing the research? We've already walked all over this place. Just come check out the map, start walking, have a good time. Like many parts of Asia, they have the streets blocked off here, and so there's no cars allowed. It's just people. So it feels a lot better not to have cars whizzing around you and motorcycles. It's a more relaxed atmosphere. So this is the V Cafe. We're gonna skip it too. It's an American and a Vietnamese that are have live music and high energy. We're gonna go to a place called Larry's next. We thought this last place would be super expensive because it's jazz and it's one of the most expensive hotels in the place. The beers were only 40K dong, you know, which is whatever, $1.60, $1.70. So we enjoyed the music. Of course, you won't be able to enjoy the music because it's copyrighted, so we're just playing music over the top of this for you. just in Dalat, Palace, the bar. What was the bar called? Dalat Palace?
Palace Club. No.
Palace Club, yeah.
Last time is down.
Yeah, it was Larry's place or something like that. Yeah, there was a Larry's bar, yeah. Oh, look at that. That painting's from colonial era France. And the building we're in was built in 1922.
1922 years.
Yeah, it's a beautiful building. And the bar, we were just watching jazz and violin live performance. And now we're heading back through. We want to show you this hotel that we were in.
So after you drink, you will be very hungry. So this is one of the places I will eat. It's 25,000. Check out.
Để hủ tiếu gà đúng không? Hủ tiếu gà, rồi miếng gà.
Dạ rồi.
Hủ tiếu luôn. Rồi có phở gà cho ai này cậu Tam ơi?
Phở đó anh ơi. Phở đó đấy. Mất rồi. Trứng nón đâu?
Trứng phở lòng gà hả?
Nón đâu?
Very nice. I don't want to eat right now because I'm eating by myself alone.
Oh, that's so sad.
Yeah.
Why do you eat alone so much?
I need to find a new boyfriend. That's all.
Oh, I see. If you've enjoyed this video, just click the link below this YouTube video to grab an interactive Google map, and you can take this tour yourself. At that link, you'll also find everything you need to know about Dalat, retired cheap in Dalat, restaurants, places to stay, cost of living, all that. Just click the link below this YouTube video. Thanks for watching. Hey, if you're enjoying this video, could you please like it, subscribe, or comment? Any of those things would help our business. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks so much. We write reports about the best places in the world to retire cheap. Come on over to Vagabond Buddha and check us out. Just click the link below this video. Come to Vagabond Buddha, see what the sort of services and prices we have. Thanks so much.